It is all over. CAF Champions League final. Mamelodi Sundowns. Finally, they have been knocking on the door. Finally, they are champions. Oh, they are African champions, and the second star is coming. Mshibe, how did you make up the game?
I was announcing 10 over the moon. Okubalekile kakhulu obviously ubonga umdali bekungeke kube possible ngaphandle kwakhe. But obviously congratulations to the Mamelodi Sundowns family, from team management, players, and to us as the supporters. We've been patient with this. Siloku singqongqoza sihluleke koma semi-final ko quarter final. I remember last year I was so heartbroken ngise Cairo, and kuloku okay I didn't go, but bengila, and what I told abahambayo ukuthi guys, we will be with you in spirit and in prayer. So I was walking up and down. I hardly saw a game because bengizama ukuthi at least so bengizama ukuthi make sure ukuthi in spirit and in prayer we are still connected. But all in all, congratulations to the Mamelodi Sundowns family, congratulations to the players, congratulations to the team, congratulations to everyone. Nje Olana, this is not only for Mamelodi Sundowns, this is not only for Pretoria, this is not only for Gauteng, but it's for South Africa, yonkana. If like South Africa limile manje. Yeah, it's been 10 years, and nje yo Kabuyelo Masandawana, Kabuyelo!
Mamelodi Sundowns are the African champions. How did you make up the game?
Elewa Masandawani, that gave me Elewa Petting. I know the parents in another Kangam Hope, Waliki, Iwinki, Hamataba. So, whatever about that, Tef. He be like about that leaky. I know it. We give a food, so, Negabata with the Manabagante. Sharp no. Away, sharp. Gabriel.
Guys, like the house is burning, everybody is happy. Amasandawana Chablile Onkana. Finally, the star is at home. How did you make up today's game?
Bese sifike le sosikhathi madala besikwazi ukuthi ungaphela isizini sikathola ngalutho. Abanye bajabulela ukuthi bathathe iPSL, thina sine record, iDStv yaze yahamba ithathwe yithina kuphela. Namhlanje siqophe omunye umlando sizongena sasibini sitya ngithi ayeye madawana ayeye.
Well, but it's all over. It's finally over. Mamelodi Sundowns, they managed to get the second star finally after so much wait, 10 years. They've been knocking and knocking, but finally they've got it.
It's coming home. I'm very glad. But
it's already at home. It's not coming home.
I just want to tell you something.
Sure.
Okadoso showed us you can play a practice match at a final.
Sure.
He started experimenting with Sales on the line. We haven't seen that happen. So let's play somewhere in the middle or somewhere up front. But he started experimenting because we've got that much control. We've got so much control. As soon as he brought in Allende, we've got so much control. They started chasing shadows. They started hunting, and they couldn't find the ball. That's why he could start experimenting. Kabuyelo, we're now preparing for next season because the second side was we took it. It's here. It's coming right.
How did you make up the game? How did you make up the game?
It's home, eh? Sure. It is home, eh? And we were with you at Loftus Versfeld last week, guys. I said to you, you want a chief for 10 years. And and suddenly, very so, and this is exactly what happened. We put it on Mazane for 10 years. Next thing, very so, this is what happened today. If I had a permanent marker, I would have put a second star here. We are Masandawana. We rule Africa.
Suwanele is also in the house.
Yeah, congratulations to the Sundowns. Actually,
they made us proud, regardless of which team do you support. Actually, Sundowns were standing for each and every team in PSL. Whatever, Magesi, Orlando Pirates, Siwelele, TX Galaxy, whatever. I'm so proud of Sundowns because of it made us so proud in South Africa, more especially in SADC region. Because of without Sundowns, we wouldn't be where we are so far. I'm so proud for Sundowns, and I really appreciate what Sundowns have made for us. Big up, Sandawana, big up!
Big up! Ladies, it is all over. Finally, the second star is at home. Mamelodi Sundowns are indeed the African champions. It's in here, Kinjabule, I'm saying.
If it's in Chabulile, awukaze kubelula lo nyaka awukaze kubelula ku Mamelodi Sundowns. Angifuni kamba manga, bephika ama goals ethu, benze yonke into kwiligi kodwa ngiyabonga sisolile. Second star. Soba nsina. Kabuyelo kayiwani. Jwale kinako ya urapela, jwale kinako ya urapela, aukafela morena oratose reformane mato. Guys, I'm so happy. This wasn't an easy season for our team. Abantu predicted that we will go off the season or close off the season without, yes, trophyless. But the team knew what they were doing.
Yes.
We were running behind our boys. Guys, it's very difficult to support a team from Pretoria while you're in Durban. I mean, I'm also proud of myself, Uguti. I did close to plus 15 games. I'm proud of myself. Go boys! I'm so happy! Second star!
Sandawana, isekhaya manje. Isekhaya inkulumo iphelile manje. How are you feeling?
Sayibonga kakhulu Sundowns mfethu. Sijabule kakhulu nje amaSandawana mfethu. Into eyenzile mfethu imele South Africa yonke amaSandawana.
Sandawana is finally at home. I remember when we were together last time. Sibuka iMamelodi Sundowns. Inhliziyo zayiphukile last year sibheke kwi-Pyramids. We were here watching the game here in Durban, but namhlanje we've been knocking and knocking. Finally the door is open. Ithini yakhe injabulo namhlanje?
Yo, namhlanje ngijabule kakhulu, even though benginaloko kuthandabuza kancane, but yo, I'm very excited. The performance yamajita bafayithile kakhulu. So we really deserve this. We really deserve this. We couldn't go a season without even a single trophy. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy for the boys. I'm happy for the club. I'm happy for South Africa. Sundowns imelile kakhulu. Be happy kakhulu.
Mamelodi Sundowns is the only team that is going to have 2 stars on the jersey in South Africa.
Yo, lalela Sky. Yabona ngalokho angazi nokuthi ngithini. Like I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. Yabona nje manje kube kuye ngami ijezi elisha ngabe seliphumile. Ngabe
awusalithenga
kusasa lokusayo Sky. Ngabe manje ngishaya ama-stars amabili la but ke yo.
Let's wait. Coming next season, Sundowns is going to make us proud.
Hopefully so. With the squad that we have, I'm hoping ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi siqhubeke la sigcine khona and be consistent, sikwazi ukuthi siwine ama games and ucoach alungise lapho esibe namaphutha khona because this season it wasn't our best season if I'm being honest, but I'm hoping ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi silungise amaphutha lawo esiwenzile going forward and senze kangcono next season.
You've been waiting on the line, just like Sundowns have been waiting to get the second star.
The waiting of 10 years is over, Baba.
Sure.
It's over. Second star, Yabona ukuthi kunjani la. Sekurastile. Month end if possible. Sithole ijezi lethu lesibili sibe mnandi. I'm happy ukuthi Sundowns idlale ngayo. Yes, besine pressure. But we only needed away goal. That's what we needed. So mina mfethu away goal. There was no way ukuthi the team will score 3 or 4 goals. No way. Thanks to Abafana, thanks to Sundowns, thanks to Umutsepe and everyone who support the team. But for a league, ngicela singakhulumi ngayo ngoba vele siyayazi la ikhona league. Next season esingamshayanga, shoot next season somtime ×2. So let's celebrate second star. Kabuyelo.
Kabuyelo, Sandawana. I'm very happy. It wasn't easy, but we managed to get this star. We're gonna make it. Look at me. We're gonna make a second star now. Yeah, we're gonna make a second star now. I don't want to say anything, but I'm happy. The boys, they're playing very well.
But about to league.
No, league. It was like let's give them a piece of like pirate. Let's give them a chance
and focus on the bigger fish. Okay.
This was the main thing that you have to achieve. Yeah.
Congratulations, Sandawana.
I'm happy to my boys. It wasn't an easy game, but happy to all. Sandawana, Kabayelo. Happy.
Well, it is all over. Yakumbula, Sehla Senyuga, Durban, Konindawa ibizwa Ace, where the game ended and nobody wanted to speak. Ngendlela inhliziyo zaseyiphoxeke ngayo. Come again, Mamelodi Sundowns, resilient, and they managed to get it finally at home.
Hey, sanibona. Hawu. Wena Sandawana yangazi ukuthi ngizojabula ngithini. Ngizokhuluma ngithini. uSundowns yazenza iqiniso. Awu siyabonga amaSandawana. Siyabonga ngeSundowns yethu. Namhlanje we are the champions. Sifaka impahla endala manje sesifuna ezintsha. Sesifuna ezintsha sine second star. So si right ngalesi party ke. Ngifuna ukuthi congratulations Orlando Pirates. Anginawo umona mina. But ke angazi ukuthi ngabonga ngithini ngaloko okwenziwe iSundowns namhlanje. Kukhulu kakhulu angazi namhlanje ngizolala ubuthongo nje ngithi zwi. Siyabonga amaSandawana.